Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today, man. Today we're going to be working on a Kia Sorento. We're going to be changing the coil pack for this car. Car's been having a misfire, so just hang in there with me. And if you look behind me, here's a car I'm going to be working on, and I'll be giving you some tips on changing these coils. Alright guys, like I said, man, you know, I'm working on this Kia Sorento, and I'm be changing coil packs and stuff like that, man. They go to parts for it right there. I already got started on one of them. I've installed one of them already right here, and I've got the rest of them to go. I've got 1, 2, 3 more to go, and we're gonna get this done. And you know how it is. Hell, gotta do what it do. Gotta do what it do. Gotta get it done. Let me see. So guys, when you're trying to fix a problem like this, man, you go to your local parts store and you have an engine light on. You just take and put the scan tool on it. It'll tell you exactly what the code is on the car. And on this Kia 2011 Kia, the misfire was P0304 was a cylinder misfire. P0303 misfire, cylinder 3 and it had a random misfire. So we just decided to go ahead and get the whole set of them and get them all changed all at one time, and hopefully that solves the problem, you know. Going down the road, signs of the misfire. If you're going down the road, the car be shaking, act like it want to cut off at the light and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, and there go that one right there, install, and then move on to the next one. It's pretty simple to replace this thing. For 10 millimeter, those are just snug, get tight enough, you know, hold it down in there and everything, you know. And here we are, we about to finish up. We're on the last one. This is the last one. See, this car right here is on like normal cars. It don't have a spark plug wire. This one's just got the coil and attached to the spark plug, which is down in the motor. And they done came a far way technology, man. They're just doing stuff different now. So I've got that installed. Move that way. And go ahead and put this cover back on, and then we'll try to crank the motor and see how it runs. Hopefully that solves some of the problem. All right. All right. So here we have it, man. We've got everything installed, man, and we got the cover back on and so forth. Engine a little dusty, need a little cleaning on it, but we're gonna try to crank this thing up and see if it's what's gonna happen here. All right, let's see what we got. tools up, and we're gonna take this thing on a test drive and see if it's running better. Alright guys, we're gonna go with the customer and take a test drive. See what's up. I don't know if you care to be on the camera or not, but I won't put you on there if you don't want me to.
I ain't camera shy, I ain't tripping.
Alright. It feels better just from you taking off right there. Alright guys, we taking the test drive, man. We done got in the car with the homeboy, and we done changed the coil pack, and we riding so far. It just seem responsive, and seem like it's riding like it's supposed to, and so forth. So we're gonna get the final thoughts from the customer, my homeboy. I'm a new homeboy.
Yeah, he's definitely riding better.
That my homeboy said, "What's up to the camera, blood?
What's up with y'all?
How you think it's driving right now?"
I like it. It feel way better.
Word.
Definitely no lagging. It's starting to move smooth better than what it was doing.
Word.
Not shutting off when we stop.
Stop. Word. That's a bit, man. Yeah, man. That's a bit, man. Yeah.
Yeah, way better. For sure.
Yeah. So, man, thank you for watching, man. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Be sure to hit the post and notification bell and so forth, man. And just stay tuned, man. More videos coming. Till next time, man. We out.